Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to declare a new select case statement in visualbasic.net. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We are here in Microsoft Visual Studio. So we have here now console right, give a number, then num_val as integer, console read line, console right, select case num_val, case 1 you choose number 1, case 2 you choose number 2, case 3 you choose number 3, case 4 you choose number 4, else if out of the 4 no invalid, number value and case, and then console read key. So basically guys, the select case is equivalent also to if else if statement in other programming language. It is a conditional statement also in visualbasic.net. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our video tutorial for today. Let us click the start button, enter a number, let's say 3, you choose number 3, we close. 2, we choose number 2. If out of the selection, let's say 8, give a number, invalid, number value, we choose select 1, give a number 1, you choose number 1, and lastly when we run 4, you choose number 4. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare a new select case statement in visualbasic.net. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.